to my channel. So today I'm going to be making some arrangements. They're interesting to me. I knew that before I got the new plants, I got this, so I knew I wanted to use this. This is just a bowl, so I like how it looks, all beat up the way it looks. I just like it, and I think it should hold up well since it was a bowl and it was meant to be washed out. So I think it can handle plants being in there. This is I would call it a rock that I found at Peanut Island a while back ago, and I was thinking I wanted to do something interesting, so I was looking outside, and then I saw the rock. I'm like, oh yeah. So I asked my husband, does he think I can drill into this? He said, let's try it, and we were able to. I told him it didn't have to be deep because the plants that I have don't have really deep roots. Questions that you guys might have: will these plants do well in these containers? I don't know. I'm willing to try and see, so I'll be able to tell you a few months from now. But I'm just gonna go ahead and try it and mess with it and see what happens. So that's what I want to do today. I need to shove some mesh right here. And so, oh, okay, so what is this? It can be two things, either a piece of coral or limestone. That's what we think it might be, either limestone or a piece of coral. I'm not exactly sure, so yeah, I haven't decided exactly what plants are gonna go where yet. I was just looking, trying to see, and I'm just using as usual cactus soil and pumice. And oh, a little tip for when you have these. So if you have thicker plants, I add more pumice to it just to be safe. You know, like I said before, you can always help a plant that's a little dry, but you really can't help one that might be overwatered. So yeah. So I put in some extra pumice in there. Some people actually believe it or not, people actually grow succulents in only pumice, and I have no idea how that works. So I'm just gonna go ahead first and see how this is gonna look, how much soil I can put in there. Here, come out. The other one will be easier. This one, I'm not sure. Can I use some of this? I want to use some of it. I don't have to use all of it. Ooh, it's got root though. It's got root. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Okay. And now for this piece right here. I don't know if I'm liking this. Maybe right here. It has to be right there. Hey guys, it just started raining, so I had to move some plants because it is going to get a little cool. So I moved some of my, like, that I really would never want to lose. So yeah, I moved those inside just in case. Okay, I think this is coming together now. Very tight space. I'm going to try to pack, use the bottom of the pencil and try to pack as much as I can around there. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up and then try to see if I can find some top dressing that I'm able to use, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. To plant the next one. Lots of perlite. I'm choosing to mix a few plants together, but I'm going to be very careful when it comes to watering. And as always, I'm gonna experiment because I like doing that. So just wanted to go with like a little rock theme. I don't know if I want to do it like this way or that way. I don't know. Maybe like that. Okay, let's see how I'm gonna make this work. I have to bring this down. Okay. Let's see what I'm gonna do. I'm first gonna use the Mimicry one. I've already killed 2 of the Mimicry ones, just the plain green ones. I have still one inside the house. Still hasn't died yet. I don't know why. I'm kidding. But yeah, they're difficult. But I'll keep trying and see what happens. Maybe eventually I'll give up, but for now I'm gonna try. Let me use, where is it? I'll do arrangements like this, and I can't recommend it yet because this is the first time I'm making an arrangement like this with these 3 different plants, so I don't know if they're gonna do well. Okay. You guys got one of these yet? It's a, where is it? For kids' boogies, babies' boogies. It works really well. Okay. Ow. Let's dress it up and then I'll come back.